We are heading to Tamborine Rainforest, which is located in the Gold Coast hinterland near Brisbane. It's a stunning natural treasure known for its lush greenery, diverse wildlife, and breathtaking scenery. We are in Tamborine Forest. It's a national park in the southern part of Brisbane. Here we are going to begin a beautiful tree walk, skywalk at the Tamborine Mountain Skywalk area. Let us explore the beauty of natural habitation with varieties of trees and plants in this wild forest here in Tamborine. Tamborine Rainforest Skywalk, which gives a high canopy walk offering a unique perspective of the rainforest. We are at the top of this Skywalk bridge, and from here we can explore the beauty of forest life. If we want to explore the real beauty of forest, we should have a walk through this rainforest here. Let us continue our walk exploring the real beauty of forest life. And we are walking by a small stream nearby, which gives a pleasant melodious music accompanying our treetop walk inside this forest. Tamborine Rainforest Skywalk gives a thrilling way to explore the tree tops. This Tamborine Rainforest is an example of rich biodiversity, home to rare birds, exotic plant species, glowworm caves, which makes it entirely exciting for our enthusiasm. As we were following the trails inside this rainforest, we reached the Cedar Creek. This is the final destination where we can enjoy the real habitation of varieties of trees and plants in this thick forest inside rainforest. The most attractive part of this skywalk is this lookout point. From here, we can have an aerial view of this rainforest in Tamborine. So let us enjoy the fascinating and exciting walk on this hanging bridge on these trees. Now we are almost standing on the top of these palm trees, and it shows the height of this skywalk. Tamborine Rainforest Skywalk gives a thrilling way to explore the treetops. Tamborine Rainforest is an enchanting escape from the city life, offering a mix of adventure, relaxation, and natural beauty. Hope you have enjoyed the treetop walk at this Tamborine Rainforest.